Hey guys, this is Jono from Simple Cookery and Valentine's Day is coming up. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a little DIY Valentine's gift. Handmade chocolate truffles. Let's go. So the ingredients for this recipe is super simple. For the truffles, we've only got 3 ingredients. We've got chocolate, use dark chocolate, butter, and some thickened cream. Once we make the truffles, for the coating, we're gonna use 3 different coatings: cocoa powder, desiccated coconut, and also some pistachio as well. Let's get into it. First step is to break your chocolate into little pieces and transfer them into a bowl. This will help them melt more evenly. Next, we are gonna heat up our cream and butter, so transfer your cream and butter into a saucepan over medium heat and bring it up to a light simmer. When you start seeing light bubbles forming on the top of the surface, take it off the stove. Pour the hot cream and butter over the chocolate. This should be enough to melt the chocolate. Stir the chocolate, cream and butter around with the spatula just to help the chocolate melt down, and after about 30 to 60 seconds, you should be getting a nice smooth chocolate consistency. At this stage, you can also add some additional flavoring such as a liqueur, a vanilla extract or mint extract. Transfer the bowl into the fridge and let it set for 3 to 4 hours. Once your chocolate is set, take it out of the fridge and it should look roughly like this. Get 2 teaspoons and use one of them to scoop out the chocolate and the other one to get the chocolate off the spoon and onto your hand. And then you want to work quickly here and roll them up into little balls. Don't be alarmed if they're melting a bit and you struggle to form perfect circles, because we're going to reset them and then roll them up again later on. Fair warning, this step can get a little messy and your hands will be covered with a lot of chocolate. Great, we have rolled up all our chocolate. Time to just clean up a little bit and wash our hands. Now what we want to do is put these chocolate truffles back into the fridge for another 30 minutes just to let them set a bit. While the chocolate is setting, I'm just going to prepare one of our toppings, which is our pistachio topping. So just get some pistachios and finely dice those. 3 topping stations ready: cocoa powder, coconut and pistachio. Get your chocolate truffles out of the fridge. I'm just going to get each chocolate truffle, give them another roll to get them into a perfect circle, and then coat them with your first topping. I'm gonna go with cocoa powder. A little tip is to do 1 topping at a time so that you keep everything clean and it doesn't get too messy. So let's do the cocoa powder first, then the desiccated coconut, and finally our pistachios. These are looking really good, but just to finish them off, I'm just gonna put these back into the fridge for another 15 to 20 minutes, just to let it set again. A great way to impress your partner is not only to make chocolate truffles, but present them in a nice little gift box. We've got 6 here, so we're just gonna put our chocolate truffles into each placeholder. And there we go guys, a DIY Valentine gift idea. Chocolate truffles. Happy Valentine's Day, guys. Well, let's eat these ones so we don't ruin these ones.
Yeah, so, because that one's for,
okay,
you know who.
Let's try it.
Okay.
Let's dig in.
It's my first time trying it, so I have no idea how it tastes. Really good. Yum.
Really simple. Only 3 ingredients for the truffles, and then you get your toppings. And yeah, that's what you get, you know? You present it like this.
If you're cheap and you don't want to buy flour.
I prefer this over flowers anyway.
Yeah, that's
Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. Drop a comment down below. Let us know what other recipes you'd like to see on this channel. On Simple Cookery, we upload simple recipes and cooking techniques to help you guys become better cooks in the kitchen. Hope you have a happy Valentine's Day, guys. We'll see you next week. Bye-bye.
Bye.